Lot number 904 is a 2014 GLK 350 Mercedes-Benz. This one has a rebuilt title. It's got a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine with only 82,000 original miles. So it's got low miles, 82,000 original miles. The engine sounds good. I've had it running, sitting here on idle for almost an hour. It has not overheated. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear the engine. Engine sounds good. It revs up nice, it idles smooth. The AC is blowing ice cold. It's got 82,690 miles. Now, the body is straight. The paint looks fair, but the front end of the vehicle looks faded. So the front fenders, front bumper, not so much the hood, but the bumper and fender definitely look faded. The whole car has overspray. There was construction, they painted a wall here, and the car appears to have overspray. Now this will come off with a good buff, but the car does have overspray. If you look closely here, you can see the white. It's there. So the rest of the paint looks good. The rest of the paint appears to be factory paint. It's still shiny, but it does have overspray. It will need a good buff. The driver's side rear door has a long scratch right there. That may buff out. It's got all matching alloy wheels. The tires look good. Minor dents and scratches. It's got a golf ball sized dent here in the lift gate. It's got a small dent right there, but no major damage that I can show you, just minor dents and scratches. The lift gate opens and closes as it should. Cargo area looks nice and neat. The headliner has a really small tear in the front, and it shows little stains all around. It could use a good cleaning, but overall it's in good shape. Here's the passenger side. Passenger side has a little dent here on the rear quarter panel, right by the gas cap. Small dent on the door, a little door ding, and a small dent over here in the front door. But again, no major damage anywhere, just minor dents and scratches. Headlights look a little dull. The paint on the front bumper and driver's side fender look faded. Let me show you the interior. Interior shows normal wear and tear. Here's the driver's seat, it's torn. The center console armrest is torn. Passenger seat looks good. The dashboard is not cracked. I showed you the miles. Steering wheel shows a little wear, but it's still in good shape. All the door panels look good. Here's the rear. Rear seats look good. There's the driver's side rear door panel. I'll show you the passenger side. It's got very cold AC. Here's the passenger side rear. It all looks good. It could use a good cleaning. It's going to clean up well. A good buff, detailed exterior cleaning will get rid of all that overspray and bring back the shine. It's a nice car. It's got low miles. It is a rebuilt title. We don't know why the title is rebuilt, but there it is. 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. It's got the 3.5 liter V6 with only 82,000 miles. It's lot number 904. Good luck.